Hey everyone, Mike here from FlowBridge, and today I'm excited to share to you one of the biggest moves we're making with FlowBridge. We are changing the platform from not only connecting your voice flow to social channels, but becoming an all-in-one support platform for your clients. With this update, we're introducing the Conversational Manager. The Conversational Manager comes with a bunch of features, but primarily it's there to help your clients manage their inboxes and speak to users more effectively and efficiently. Now, let me show you some of the things we're introducing with this update. First of all, with this update, we're introducing new licenses. If you go over to your billing, you'll see a new tab called Licenses. Within here, you can purchase more Conversational Manager instances as well as agent licenses. You'll need a Conversational Manager instance license to run a Conversational Manager for a client and agent licenses to apply them to your agents. Now, let's quickly make a new integration. We'll speedrun this. Now, let's go over to the client company and we'll see that we've applied a Conversational Manager license to the client. If we go over to the user, we'll see that an agent license has been applied and we've given administrator rights to the Conversational Manager instance. Let's go over to the customer view. A new button appears. Go to Chats. Once you click it, it automatically logs you into the Conversational Manager with all the integrations that you've added. Let's view one of the chats that we're having. You can see that we're seeing the chats incoming from the social channel as well as the responses to the bot. Let's go ahead and type something to the bot. As you see, it appears within the conversation as well as the response from VoiceFlow. Let's go over to the contact button and let's switch this chat into handoff mode. Let's select human. Once a conversation is in the human handoff mode, it'll bypass any messages and won't go to VoiceFlow. Users will be speaking directly with the agent. Now, let's send a message to the user. You'll see that the message that we just sent pops into their Telegram. This functions on all channels. Once the user replies, you'll see that you'll be able to have a back and forth conversation with the user. Now, let's turn off handoff mode by clicking one of the macros. This sets it back to the bot state. If we go over to my inbox, we can see all of the chats that are associated with us. We can also go to the individual channel. We can set priority on a specific chat. We can assign a specific conversation to an agent, and a lot more. Let's resolve the conversation so it disappears, and let's go into the settings. Let's add a new label. In this case, we want to have VIP members that get quick responses from our agents. So we've set a new label for VIP. Let's chat to the bot again so it shows up once more into the Conversational Manager. There we go, it'll be in my inbox. And now let's quickly do a canned response rather than having to respond ourselves. We'll make it a short code hello and have a quick hello message for the company. Now, if we go back to the conversation and if we type / into the chat box, you'll see it pops up with a couple of canned messages that we've created. In this case, it's the hello one. Let's send it. You'll see that it automatically sets the handoff mode to bot. Now, let's use that label we've created and set it to VIP. Now we can see under labels, we'll have the chats of all the members that are associated as VIP. Now we've just demoed a couple of things that you can do with the Conversational Manager, but there's a lot more power behind it. From the canned messages that we've showed to automations that you can set and extensive reporting to see what are your off hours, when are the most messages coming in, what is the resolution time on tickets for agents, a bunch of functionality. Now when you speak to your clients, you'll not only have their AI native chatbot onto social channels, but you're giving them an entire support platform to manage their business in. We hope you enjoy the new Conversational Manager, and if you have any suggestions, please join our Discord and give us some feedback.